Yo, I'm reading the RFC 7540. Oh, stream title's wrong. Bash Stack Day 2. Okay, so how does... It sounds like HTTP2 is... what I understand so far is that, like, the client will be like, hi, can I use HTTP2 over HTTP 1.1? And then... when does this happen, though? Does this ever happen? Like, I've never seen Rust Stack win. I think there's a lot of those. Let me make sure I don't have anything running. Ugh. Wait, is this the right file? Do I not have this? Well, let's... What happens if you do this to a command then? Nothing. Let's making a web framework with Bash. Oh, by the way, I found out what the H should be tomorrow. That's a good idea. Tomorrow. Oh wait, shit. That can't go there. Let's fall through. Apply. Rustrum. By the way, I fixed my hot reloading script. I don't know if this will ever be of use to you, but I love this script. It uses iNotify_wait, which I assume you would have on Arch, but I don't know. But all it does is it's an infinite loop. It runs your command in the background, saves the PID, and then if the file or any of the dependencies you specify change, then it kills your program and just like restarts the loop. And I added the dependencies part recently, and now I can do stuff like this, where I watch and reload Twitch chat, but also these files that are like its sources. Nice, okay. Yeah, I figured it was available everywhere because it seems pretty useful. And then I have the same thing for Tau socket. And I use this. Okay, actually, I'm curious if you know anything better than this. I started using this recently. Watch crate. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. I actually learned about iNotify_wait from my last job. We used this to basically do what this thing does, where you can run you you can run like 2 commands and it'll start both the processes and like mix the output of them together with like prefixed lines. So you can kind of see that over here. I've got like Tau and chat running in the same like stream. This is the only thing I found. I'm sure there's something to do this, like something more Unixy to do this, but I don't know of any. But we used to use this. And this thing has its own watcher. New watcher. Wait, where does this get defined? Wait, where do these get defined? Hey, look, it's me. I'm in there. Because I think they made this thing like... Yeah, so it works on macOS with FSWatch. And then it also works on Linux with iNotify-Wait. It doesn't work on Windows. Because nobody at this company used Windows. But they hadn't actually tested this part until I joined. Because it was just wrong. Like, I had to change move to and move from to moved to and moved from. And then it worked. What does this commit do? Oh. Do you know if anybody made like a general tool using this? Like a command line tool? Because I would totally use it. I guess it's just using iNotify under the hood anyways, so... But it would be nice to have something that works on macOS and Linux. But anyways, it's just like my favorite utility script is being able to run a script that continues running and just reloads every time you change it. It's very good for the chatbot. Ooh. What's this? Did you just find this on Google? Oh, you found it in the dependents? Their website, I don't know, this doesn't inspire a lot of faith, if I'm honest. They got 4K stars. Are they in any, oh, they are in packages. Some of them. No Ubuntu. It's in Homebrew, though. Okay, am I going crazy, or... I keep finding more and more, like... Yeah. But then you have to install Cargo. Not that, like I do, but... When it comes to, like, making something that's, like, portable... You want it to be... something people can just download. Like, you can run one package manager command and get everything. Not that I'm like sharing this with a lot of people or anything, but I don't know, I just like the idea. But am I going crazy, or are more people using Homebrew on Linux now? Like, what's going on with that? Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to get in the Ubuntu. I've never tried, but I can tell by just like how many things don't make the cut. Yeah, the AUR is a great thing. But like for my use cases, I don't mind building something from source. Okay. Did I show you this yet? I think we should have this in bash stack because it looks sick. So basically it's like what if JavaScript, but you don't have to use JavaScript, right? So everything is like it's just HTML and like weird attributes. Examples. So I didn't really understand how this worked until I looked at the examples. But like this is a good example. I'm gonna turn on the music a little bit. So like imagine you have this you have a website where you like list your contacts. And this is like one of the contacts. And so this is the end result is you have a button where you click edit and it turns into a form. And then you can edit the form and submit it. Or you can cancel and go back. And the way this actually works is it's making a request to the server to ask for like the HTML for this form. So when you click this button, it's doing a GET request to contact one edit, and then you return this HTML, which is the form, and the library is responsible for swapping this in where the old element was. If that makes sense. It's kind of wild. It does result in like a little bit of delay on the responsiveness of this, but like, yeah. And I was talking to somebody who recommended this to me, and they were saying like using this plus like templating in a scripting language is like really nice experience. Cancel making a request is weird. Yeah, it would be nice if there was a way to just like go back to what you had before. Like if this just went to the shadows somewhere and you could recall it. But at the same time, I kind of get why it's not. There might be a way to do that. I don't know. We got an edit row. Yeah, this one does the same thing. You can see the... So that does beg the question, like, how do you build this? So this is the table. And then So I would imagine on the server you would have these as like different files. Like you'd have this, and then it would say like for row and rows, like put in this row template. How does this work? Contact on. Like, is this part of the... Oh, wait. What is all this? I don't know how much I feel about this. Here we're getting a bit fancy and only allowing one row at a time to be edited using HyperScript. The heck is HyperScript? Check to see if there's a row with... Why couldn't you just have each one... Yeah, I don't like this example. Okay, note that if you didn't care if a user was editing multiple rows... Oh, I see why. It's because you can... Is it this? Is the pop-up? Hey, how's it going? Is the pop-up why they're doing this? Yeah, okay. That's all this code is for this like pop-up when you edit multiple. Oh wait, my stupid my overlay is not running. Why didn't you say anything? Is it running now? Doesn't seem like it's running. Maybe I need to refresh it. There we go. We have a chat thing now. I need to host it somewhere so it doesn't require me to run it, but I'm waiting until I finish it. Yeah, look, yours has a cool glowy border because you're a subscriber. It's very fancy. Yeah, the animated works. It's really easy to do stuff like that when you're in JavaScript. You get it for free. Oh, we also have this. Check this out. Everyone should go follow Kuviman.
And it goes much further than
Wait,
that.
why is it muted?
We're going to climb
Is
this
it muted?
mountain.
It's not
Unless
muted.
I fall, we can show you a little bit.
I just can't hear it.
I should not fall though, because I'm good at the game, obviously. Oh shit, I fell.
I need to turn on the monitor. Yeah, that was surprisingly easy to build. I always wanted to have one of those things and I didn't know how people... Like, I'm sure there's some service that does it. But it was actually really simple. This stream is just turning in to show off everything that I did yesterday. but here's how it works. Okay, I need to move this to two different files, but it's basically this part. So 17 lines plus this part. So another 20 lines, like 40 lines of code. Tempting me to rewrite my overlay from Rust into TypeScript. Yeah, this is literally like just vanilla JS too. Or TypeScript rather. But here's how I do it, right? We've got an async function to find a clip. It sets the start date to 1 year ago and the end date to right now. And then it calls out to Tau with whatever broadcaster ID you pass in, asks for 100 clips, and then it picks a random one. This is some code I copied from Stack Overflow. And then we have a listener. Whenever I do a shout out, then we find a clip from the broadcaster and just put it on the screen. That's the whole thing. It's just an iframe, some CSS. The best part, and as soon as I went to show this yesterday, it broke. So let's see if it breaks this time. The best part about this whole thing is like I have this listen function that I wrote. And look how cool this is. I can listen to any event. Let's say I want to do when somebody cheers. And look at this. e.detail. I've got full like type safety and everything on here. If I want to get how many bits it was, or like the username. How does the message work? I don't actually know how bits work. Cause like well, bits are probably hard, right? Cause there's like a bunch of different emotes you can do. Twitch API bits. Cheer. Okay, get cheer modes. Wait, I get a list of all the global cheer modes? This one's gonna be annoying. I have to do the string matching myself. Yeah, that one will take a little bit of time. But yeah, if you rewrite yours in TypeScript, you can get type safety too if you use Tau. It's an NPM package now. I don't know why it already has that many downloads. That doesn't seem right. That must be the bots. Although that's kind of weird because I don't think my other package has that many downloads. Oh, it did at the beginning, yeah. It's definitely bots. I think for stuff where you need like simple text rendering and things, like it's hard to beat the browser. You get so much stuff. And assuming you know how to do it, like if you've worked in web ever, it's really straightforward. Some of it's not easier, like animations are still really funky. Anyways, okay. I was gonna read this. So when does HTTP 2 happen? Let's go to the bash stack. If we edit our app to so this is the part that reads everything. Oh, it's in the hot reload. So if we do like if we t into app.sh, we do like http.log. Okay, we got a 404. Uh, 3,000. Need to proxy the port to my local. There's no way Rust was your first love. Oh wait, this would be localhost now. Sent an invalid response. Ruh-roh. Maybe this T doesn't work, like I think. Oh no. Oh, it's this stupid thing again. Kill all TCP server. Which watch and reload. So it's pkill dash term Wait, did you really? I don't believe you. Okay. I think something doesn't work when I do T. Oh, I need to do like a process substitution? Is that right? Feeds the output of a process into the standard in of another process. I can't remember which way it is. That printed, I think it's the other way. Okay, it's neither way. I don't know what I need to do. Doesn't T just do what I want? Evidently not. Ah. Okay, how else can I do this? I guess I'll just echo everything. Or at the very least I can echo the like... Why am I doing quotes? Oh, is the issue that... Wait a minute. Okay, I think I know the issue. No, I don't. Not devnull. Oh, I already have a thing for this. Debug. Okay. So it only asks for HTTP 1.1. A server that does not support HTTP 2 can respond to a request. Oh. Okay, here's the question. Is HTTP 2 prevalent enough now that I can forgo HTTP 1.1? Can my server be strictly HTTP 2? Probably not, huh? Why does this keep failing? Unable to bind. Address already in use. That works for some reason. God, I don't understand. Kill. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Okay, so here's what we get from the browser. I'm not getting an H2C. So it's like not asking me if I want to go HTTP 2. Am I supposed to tell it that I want to go HTTP 2? The alternative is we do WebSockets. I need some way to like push events from the server. But like WebSockets are kind of a pain. What is upgrade insecure requests? Oh, like switch to HTTPS? HTTP2 might be hard to do. We could always do good old polling. Nothing wrong with a little polling. Oh. Sorry? Oh, what is going on in HTTP2? Huh? What do you mean don't worry about it? I'm worried about it. I'm confused. It's still the hypertext transfer protocol, right? What the fuck is all of this? Is it a binary protocol now? Surely not. There's no way. I'm so lost. I'm seeing a lot of HTTP 1.1 requests, but not a lot of HTTP 2.0, you know? What does a HTTP2 request look like? Yes, I need the introduction. This doesn't answer my... Oh my god. It's binary now. Why? What happened to hypertext? Did you know about this? Seems illegal. Just the audacity to call this HTTP 2. There's nothing HT about this. We've been played for fools. Do they go back to text in this one? Wait. 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 Oh. They're actually just... We're just getting scammed. Even curl can't support it. Why aren't there any good C WebSockets libraries? Yeah, I don't know. So my choices are do WebSockets, I can either do WebSockets, polling, or HTTP 2. Technically it is possible to do event sources over HTTP 1.1. There's just this big warning that you can only have 6 tabs that do it. And honestly, that's kind of a good limit. No, that means our server is just... It's more scalable. This is web scale. So, I think the answer is we do this over HTTP 1.1. And I assume... Well, because they already have it in HTTP 2, and like, HTTP 2 is pretty much everywhere now. I just did not realize that it was secretly BTP 1. There's nothing hypertext about it. So how do I make... How do I make a, Oh, I need to add, like... I should put that in my to-do list. I need, the other emotes, like BTV. Good cop is sassy. That emote looks so bad when it gets scaled up to that size. What do you mean? I mean, I just started the overlay. I've put 2 days into it so far. But I have an urgent need for the bash stack to be complete. Oh, okay. It's not complete without HTTP3. Oh, thanks. So how do we make an event source server? I guess let's just take the code that does it, right? And put it in our... What? Thank you for the gift sub. Hey, look, good cop knows. I don't have an alert for that yet. I'm sorry. I'll get one. It's on my to-do list. Show me cat. So many cats. This is the best emo. You can't change my mind. Crab Jim. Okay, Cookie Man, that's a pretty close second. So let's Wait, whoa, what's happening? Subscribe with Prime. Thank you. My lights go crazy every time, but I don't have the... I need to make like the background go to solid whenever somebody subs or something. Although my room's a mess, so maybe that's a bad idea. Needed the cat. Fair. So where do we actually return our... How do we do a here doc? This is not it. Is it that? I forget. Bash echo here doc. Okay, 2 of these ones. 1 of these ones. Oh wait, that's... No. That's just if you wanna... Here doc. What's the dash? Will cause all leading tab characters to be ignored. Oh, that's awful. I love that. I thought it was just, yeah, just this. Okay. Oh, shoot. Do we escape these? Can we escape this? That's going to be annoying in the actual framework. Although, no, because you won't be writing JavaScript, so it won't be annoying. So we need to return like a script tag. We need to make this whenever it runs your route, which is write HTTP response. Okay, yeah, it already should work. So if we refresh the page and view page source, we get nothing. What happened? Wait, did you just redeem 3 null rods? Wait, what happened? Why did you get 3 null rods? Are you on cooldown? They are they are, but the null rod. Do you know what the null rod does? Oh, I might refund you some points. Let's see. Here, I'll refund you 2 of them, and you can just have the one. Because you might be disappointed. Wait, how do I refund the points? I don't remember. Review requests queue. I'm rejecting 2 of your null rods. That's it. You just get it, and it's one time. It made more sense when it played a sound and had the picture, but we haven't added that back yet. That'll be part of the new overlay at some point. What is going on with this? Why is this not returning the stupid thing? Like if I just run pages index. Oh, it doesn't print anything. Wait, can you not do a here doc with echo? Here doc with echo. Oh, I was supposed to use cat. Okay, now it works. Hot reload. Are you kidding me? I hate this stupid thing. Brian, do you understand how to use kill correctly? Because I could use a hero. I just don't understand how to kill a process correctly. What do you mean it sent an invalid response? What did it send me? Kill all is not the right way. I'm using kill all, but I know it's wrong. Alright. The problem is, like, okay, so I'm running a thing. I save a PID, and then I p-kill it. How do I get rid of this process? And like sometimes it doesn't work. I have to do this kill all. On p-kill or so just this? Let's see if it works. Nope, unable to bind. Address already in use. How does it work? No, I don't. I just need to kill the process. If I do kill all TCP server, it works. No, you're wrong. Watch. Okay. Look. I kill it. I restart it. No error. I can also save here. No error. So how do I kill it without using kill all? What does kill all even do? It sends a sig term. Yes, it does make children. That's why I was using pkill and like the group. I was doing this is how I do it in my other program and it works. I just got here, I don't know what you're doing. When I run some task, I'll have it check for a die command, then it exits on its own. This is how I normally do it and it works. Because this like does the parent and all the children, I think. I forget what -p does. Parent. Maybe I also need to kill 9 server PID. Oh? I don't know why it's now saying that sometimes. I don't actually care that it prints that though. Is that you printing that? I think it's the script itself is printing that. Yeah. Whatever, if it works, it works. Dash parent PID? What does that do? What do you, when you I don't know what you mean when you say that, like, do you mean dash as in like dash and then the number? Where does it say you can do that? Oh, okay. That's what it means. So like this. No such process. But it is working. I know there is a difference between kill and bin kill. No, because this is only when the script exits. This works, but it still prints. I don't know why. Just do minus PID. Oh. That killed the whole script. I don't think that was it. Now it doesn't work. All right, we're going back to what was working. This was working. Uh-oh. I want it to be aggressive. You should be aggressive. Yes, I don't need to ask permission. When I want it dead, I want it dead. Why are we sending an invalid response? Yeah, but sometimes Control C doesn't work, you know? So you gotta be more aggressive. Oh, wait, I need to be doing this. results. Play nice. It's my process and I'll treat it how I want. Okay. So let's see, what is it asking us for? It's asking us for a get request on sse.php. Haven't you seen Tron? Okay, it asks us to accept a text event stream. That's cool. Did you know you could do that? I just found out. And connection keep alive. It always says connection keep alive though. I just declined. Okay, now the question is, how do we actually build... I could add that as a redeem. How do we actually do an event stream? We could do a... Can you have multiple readers on a make FIFO? I guess let's find out. So if I make a FIFO called like testing, and then over here or not over here, okay, let's change this from sse.php to just sse. And then we'll go to our pages and vim sse.sh. And here we're gonna say, we're just gonna cat temp testing. But I don't know. I don't know what it actually expects. Like, am I supposed to respond with a... Oh, and this isn't gonna work. Like, how do I respond with a... Yeah, it's a good game. I'm assuming I send like a response that's like 200 content type text event stream. I could do it based on the file name. Like if your file is called dot something else. Um, oh boy. I could do the really horrifying thing and use comments as directives. What if I go to SSE and instead of having a shebang, I just have a SSE? And then I say if head 1 pages route script if SSE tests if SSE test equals SSE, then return. We'll print our headers right away. Content type text event stream. I don't know if we send another one. And then let me just run the script. Okay, I got a 404 on SSE. How did that happen? Cat EOF is what it thinks is the first line of this file. Huh? Head 1. Huh? Oh, it's finding index.sh. Or no. No, SSE test is just not succeeding. Okay, let's debug pages route script. So we hot reload. It's not even getting to here. We're failing out here. Are we not matching anything? Oh, I just hit the very wrong button. 404 no match found. Why though? So let's test what this is doing. CD pages. We need to go to bash. For I in do echo I done. Oh. The star implies that it's in a folder. Maybe we shouldn't do the glob. Let's do in find type F. iname star.sh. Yeah, okay. We're gonna need that extra subshell here. Ugh. Okay, We get a 404 again. What the heck? Is it because we have the dot slash now? Did we have the dot slash before? We did not have the dot slash before. Gosh dang it. Is there a way to tell find to not print the dot slash? Relative path. Hey, Honest Dan. Thank you for the raid. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. How was your stream? Stream was creepy. I was confused for a second. I was like, I thought Dan raided. Playing some Sons of the Forest with Bora. What is that game? I haven't caught any of your streams for that one. Wait, what's Dash Prune do? Prune true. No, that's not what we want. Okay, let's just do it the easy way. Oh, but it's not easy. That is easy. Said we'll use @ symbols because we're cool, and did you know you could use @ symbols instead? There's a game called The Forest, which was a spooky... I remember The Forest. Oh, this is the sequel. Okay. So we'll say start of a line, dot character, slash. If it matches that, we replace it with nothing, and that's it. We can test that real quick. S at root boop root root root. Ta-da! Gets rid of the dot slash. So we can run our thing again. Come back here. We find SSE. We get a 200. It seems like it closed. Is it supposed to close? I feel like it's not supposed to close. Yeah, it only stays alive for like 40 milliseconds. Why though? Shouldn't it stay alive? Maybe TCP server is killing it. Let's read how TCP server works. I don't think it has a timeout. Oh, we're getting permission denied. I should have just looked at the terminal. There needs to be executable. I was too caught up in the 200s we were getting. We're getting, okay. Here's the real test. Can we, over here, can we echo hello? Smiley face. Well, I know we can do that. Can we do it to the testing tunnel? No. Oh wait, why did it open a new one? Is it because we didn't send any data? Oh wait, it keeps dying. I think every time I send the thing, it dies. What does it expect to get? Text event stream. I've literally never seen one of these. Sending events from the server. Event. And then data. Events. Hello. Data. Hello. No. Oh, and then there needs to be another new line. All right, let's try doing it all at once. Let's printf events hello data goodbye. Wait, does it always open a new connection afterwards? We might need a... Okay, so if we check over here now, we send one, still alive. No, it closed again. I feel like it's not supposed to close. Oh, we can send a data only? Type message. Oh wait, now it's not. Okay, now what happens if we refresh the page? And then we check if there's any SSE processes running. There are 2 SSE processes running. If we refresh a bunch, do we see a bunch of them? Oh no. They live forever. That's not good. Hello. Oh, it also doesn't work anymore. No. Well, this was really good until it wasn't. Make FIFO multiple readers. Once your data is out, it's gone. Unix domain sockets. You can write a server which can write to client processes. Well, let's see. Bash Unix domain sockets, whatever that means. Oh no. Are we gonna use SOCAT to do our sockets? Netcat open BSD. I don't know what Netcat I have. It doesn't have a version. It says BSD at the top. Is that the U flag? No. Oh wait, yes it does. The problem still remains that I need to kill the process when... So we still have a bunch of these things running. A bunch of them. Maybe we just have the SSE only live for like a minute. And then it just yeets itself. Because this is like a problem with TCP server. It would seem. Because basically, as I understand it, this server is going to stop responding if I refresh enough times. Yeah. We've effectively smothered the server to death. Oops. You know, try and get someone to pay it forward. That's okay. Once I work on the sub alerts, I'll probably end up gifting a lot of subs in the name of testing. What do we do about this? This is such a problem. It's a major flaw in our design here. Oh, environment variables. Maybe these will save us? Connection specific string. How do I know when the connection dies? Something tells me this isn't designed for this. Package includes a Recordio tool that monitors all the input and output of a server. Record.io. We can try this. What? Do I need to run it around TCP server? Oh boy. Man, Record.io records the input and output of a program. It prints lines to descriptor 2 showing the input and output of program. That doesn't seem useful. Descriptor 0 from reading from the network. I wonder if we can wait for a EOF on the read. That must be how it works, right? Alright, none of this Record.io stuff. I don't know what that's for. So this is going to be output. We run output in the background. We save its PID even though we know this is awful and life is pain. Then we read. We do while IFS. Stop. Client says that I don't care. I don't think the client can say anything. Kill 9 PID dash PID. I think we just need PID in this case. Ah, why not? Client terminated connection. Oh, this needs to all be to have that backwards. Okay. So if I close this tab, I did it. Client terminated connection. It says I don't need this. Do I not need this? I don't know. We won't worry about it. Nobody understands how kill works, but that's okay. Can I bash? Don't print when process killed. In order to silence the message, you must be redirecting standard error at the time the message is generated. It worked. This is sick. This is actually so good. What the hell? This is gonna work. I don't know what to say. I just so if we do netcat u l let's do lu temp testing. Whoa. Did it just blast over that? And we can do netcat u I don't think we'll need the loop anymore. So I bring this back up. Now we can say like data hello world. Uh-oh. No, we can't. Why didn't that work? Why did it close? When it gets EOF, it closes. But I didn't write an EOF. T standard out to standard error. Can you do this? We need to refresh. Oh, message hello. Goodbye. Okay, can we have this in a second tab? Data double SSE. I need to hit enter. No. Why? No. You are the chosen one. Please. No. Unix domain sockets multiple clients. I have to create a PF Unix socket of type sockstream. Then each time you accept a connection, you get a new file descriptor. Netcat domain socket multiple listen. No. Whoa, wait, we can do another TCP server? Netcat broker? Huh? Broker. I don't have that. Oh, B for broadcast? LBU. This is a broadcast. Nah, it only went to one. Netcat B flag. B? It's not on here. Netcat broadcast flag. The new version of Netcat might be broken. You could do a UDP broadcast. Wait, they're piping data through the... Is it UDP broadcast? Is that what it's for? Broadcast. Just says allow broadcast. All right, let's just get right to the point. Does anybody have a netcat pub sub? We might be able to do it with UDP. Oh, dash K. This is a broadcast. We're not seeing it at all anymore. Let's get rid of the U and the B. Okay. Where's my other browser tab? This one? No, it only printed on one. Okay, bring back the B flag. Oh. That's interesting. We could use the file system as our subscription list. So like hey, how's it going? We could it's a little bit scary. Plus, how do you remove a line from a file? Okay, so let's go back to FIFOs, because FIFOs, we like FIFOs. They work good. I use them for lots of things. Wait, there's a mode? I wonder what modes you can set. Set file permission bits. That's not very exciting. So what's the working directory of one of these things? It's probably passed through, right? So if we were to change directory to the location of the script, not here. I always forget how to do this stupid. Of course, I don't do it there. CD $0, whatever that does, some sort of substitution string. Very good. So if I come in here and I do pwd 1 and 2, and source. Source. When you source a file, what happens? Read and execute commands from file name in the current shell environment and return the exit status of the last command. So what happens to... If the -T option is enabled, source inherits in a trap on debug. Wait, it doesn't have to be executable? That's kind of scary. Can we use that in here? Wait, we can? Wait, what just happened? Okay. How did I get over here? Why were we running this with bash C then? I'm gonna just source. I'm not complaining. Okay, so we are in the home directory now. Actually, we should move this to here. Okay, it still works. We should make a directory called pubsub. Do we have access to the env at this point? Oh, I just printed my env in the... That's pretty cool. I like bash stack. I think bash stack is gonna be good. I bet there's like secrets in here too that I'm leaking. I should read this carefully now. It's actually not. It's pretty clean. What was I even looking for in here? I guess just if like the outer programs functions were available in here. I don't think they are, because I don't see any of our... Although, did I declare them local? I did a lot of them, but like HTTP headers should be in here and it's not. Alright, so maybe source doesn't work. Well, maybe we can just do this. Now we have a TTY. We're still not getting the env from the outer program. Why not? No. Why aren't they available here? Bash call function in parent script. Export? Can finally multitask. Oh, that is nice. So maybe in here we'll export HTTP headers. No. Export function and parent script. No, wait, not function. No can do sort of problem. Oh, I don't want to change the parent. I just want to use them. Like I should be able to just do this. That will work. No, it won't. Equals 0. Huh? Maybe I do want a source. Line 51 error. Oh. Almost worked. Why does I not exist? We like lost the keys of the headers somehow. No, they're still there. Wait, should this be a printf? There we go. Why's that wrong in the other one? Oh, because it uses debug. I'm an idiot. Debug does printf. Okay, we have the headers. No, this is good. Can we call functions now? If I declare a function that's like function publish debug, you did a publish. Publish. You did a publish. Very nice. We don't actually want to have a publish be a thing. We want subscribe. So subscribe, and we're also going to need an unsubscribe. Is literally just going to like create a FIFO in the pub subfolder. So like let's make a usage subscribe topic we're gonna subscribe Sorry, this song just distracting me. Do we need to pass anything else in, or we just pass a topic? Returns handle to cat. Make temp, make FIFO. New subscriber on topic equals 1. Can we tell make temp to do it in a specific folder? Yes, no, maybe. If dir is not specified, so if I do make temp dash p u dash up pub sub, aha, it will. That's cool. Up pub sub slash topic slash don't need the trailing slash, but I do need to make dir dash p pub sub slash topic maybe we should check if there actually is a topic. I don't know why I look in here. This doesn't have what I want. I think it's just -z topic. Now returns true because it's empty, which is what we want. Return attempted to subscribe on empty topic. Gotta make it safe and user-friendly for all of our future users. Okay, so that should be the subscribe function. And there really isn't an unsubscribe function. It's just you F the handle. There is a bit of a race condition, I suppose. Well, let's not worry about that right now. It's just simpler if we don't. So we can subscribe to the topic test. Call it sub. We can cat the sub. When we get down here, we just RMF sub. That's it. This is I think this is all we need to do. Actually, you know what? Let's make it unsubscribe sub. Actually, I wonder if we can do that automatically. It's like we know when it exits. So if we know when it exits, do we have a way of keeping track of who made the subscription? Not really. That's okay. We can have an unsubscribe. This can do the same thing. unsubscribed from topic RMF. Oh wait, we don't actually take... I mean, we can just do this. Failed. Actually, let's make this one even safer. If topic is not equal to pubsub / star. So you can't just like unsub from / and delete your file system or anything. Unsubscribe sub. Yeah, so let's run it. If we get our old browser, oh boy, you know what? Right. I think we need to do export-f subscribe. New subscriber on test. And then if we close the tab, unsubscribed from pubsub test temp blah 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 blah. Okay. I mean, what more do you want? Oh, we do need... So we subscribe again. Let's just make a quick function that it's gonna do find pubsub test type F. There's no type Fs. And find dash type. Dash P. Type P. I've never used that. Xargs. Can I do this with less? Echo high. Right, so we do still need this while loop here. We can probably just do this. What happened? Data high. Printf works better. The heck happened? Change that to cat. It sure works. Is it efficient? No. No, it's pretty inefficient. But we have PubSub. We should be able to open this in another tab. PubSub. Okay, we got PubSub here and PubSub here. It's a miracle. They said it couldn't be done. I don't know if anybody actually said it couldn't be done, but I'm pretty impressed with this right now. They did say we would be limited to 6 tabs, which honestly I think is for the best. I'll let somebody else do the PR for implementing HTTP2. That is going to be a fun one. Oh wait, why did we get a kill message? We aren't supposed to get kill messages anymore. Is it because of the dash PID? Yeah, it looks like it's working now. Let's have this. First of all, let's do a regex match here. No, let's not. Unsubscribe from topic. Yeah, so I want to change this to say... Oh, we could do this with, I gotta remember how to do this. Bash substitution parameter substitution. Thank you for the sub. I still don't have the alert. Wait, is my overlay not working again? This SSH command is flaky. I need to come up with a better solution. Look at my overlay. You have a cool glow because you're a subscriber. Wait, did it disappear without fading out? It's supposed to fade out. Now I'm just staring at it, waiting for it to go away. Sleep is good. Just waiting for that message to fade out. Come on. Any second now. Please go away, message. How long did they stay for? Oh, there it goes. Okay. It faded out. We're good. We're good. Going to the Bash Bible. Oh, where's the Here we go. Replacement. So what do we have and what do we want? We want to get rid of PubSub. I'm actually okay with keeping that. Let's get rid of the other end. Let's get rid of... Remove longest match of pattern from end of string. 2% signs. Oh wait, that's the longest match. No, 1% sign. And then it's slash star. Why didn't this reload? Okay. Wait. Failed to unsubscribe. Oopsie. There we go. That's better. We could get rid of the PubSub text if we do... Oh, it doesn't like the double substitution. Okay. Fine. So publish is gonna do find. It's gonna do the same thing as this one. Corbin, we're making pub/sub in Bash. Bash is really at generator functions? Nah. Do they have generator? There's a boilerplate generator? What? This isn't what I wanted. But JavaScript doesn't have that either. But I guess you could argue Bash has been around longer. That is not. Does it have it by default now? It did not for a long time, so. I don't even know what that would mean in Bash. I mean, you kind of can make a generator function with a FIFO. Because it is, like, you have lots of things that block in Bash. Publish. So we're gonna find pub/sub / topic, type P, and then we're gonna go into xargs, everyone's favorite. We're gonna bash C do we want to printf? I guess we just publish whatever they send us, right? We don't actually want to format it. But we should go line by line. I don't know, I'll have to think about this. API. Printf line. So this is gonna be while ifs read line do done local line. Oh, these should have local topic. Oopsie. Yes. My 16-hour stream? I've done long streams before. It's not today. I'll tell you what. Actually, I have to go in 10 minutes. It's a good thing I looked at the clock. But I'm down to do a long stream sometime. Maybe the long stream is the Rust stream. Okay, I'll tell you the real thing that's holding me back from the Rust stream. There's two things. I no longer know what to do because it's like it's got so much hype around it that I need a good idea. And two, I want to schedule it so that people can actually show up and like no, I don't want anybody to miss it and feel bad. So I need to do those two things. Come up with an idea and schedule it. And then I'm down. I'm not actually trying to avoid it. It's just I've been putting off those two things. Yeah, exactly. No, it was we hit the goal like 5 months ago. It's been stupid. It didn't happen immediately because I was in the middle of a game jam, and then it was like the holidays, and then it just fell off my radar. But I really want to do it. Oh, B2W. Okay, let's make a publish endpoint. That should be a good stopping point. What are you doing? Oh, you got my sub goal. Thank you. Thank you. I still don't have an alert because this is more important right now. We need to finish Bash Stack because somebody asked me to build them a website, and I intend to build them a website with Bash Stack, and I have to do it by Friday. So Bash Stack has to be at least semi-operational by Friday. Hard deadline. The website itself is really simple, but it needs either WebSocket or server-side events. So that's why we're implementing server-side events right now, because WebSockets are a nightmare. Thank you again for the sub. Okay, we gotta go fast. Publish. Publish tests. Testing. Cat. EOF. Why is this not working? Why do I have two Vims open right now? Is it because there's nothing here? Why is this? Oh, is it because I have no, whatever. That could be why. No, because it's got a .sh. I don't know why this isn't happy. Does that have to be on its own line? Will that even work? Hi. No, what do we actually want to say? We want to say data message. Maybe we don't do this with a data message. Okay. So we should be able to go to this /publish. What happened? Oh. If pub sub topic then no subscribers on topic. 4 minutes. Okay, yeah, we don't have a subscriber on testing because we're on test ing. God damn it. So it seems like it did. How did we do this thing before? Do we still have the... Yeah, that. We got data message. Is it because of the new line? What if we add a new line here? And that's just like how the API is. I mean, it... What's actually printing this? This is the receiver. Let's add 2 new lines just to rule that out. Okay, we got it now. So our new line is getting eaten, which makes sense because we're... Why do we need 2? What if we put 2 here and get rid of 1 here? Okay, that works. I like that better. Because now this is like right. Let's see if we can do a event something. Yeah. It works. We have pub and sub. What happens if we publish when there's no subscribers? Still fine? Still fine. Excellent. Let's get rid of some of these debug statements. We can keep that one, it's good to know. We can get rid of that one. The SSE thing is so cursed, actually. Okay. I have to go. So let's find someone to raid. I have my D&D group meets right now. But I might stream again later tonight. Who's doing stuff? I don't remember who this is. But they're doing Godot. And I like Godot. I don't think there's anyone doing Bash. No, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to search on Twitch. Let's go here. Oh, I remember this. Yeah, this stream's cool. I really like that he's got this little preview of his game just in the corner. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.